Aloha. I'm Andy and I will make a short review for the ASUS X509FA-EJ259 laptop. I hope my video will be helpful in deciding if it's worth to spend your money for this laptop. The laptop has a modern design with rounded edges. In the top cover the graved ASUS logo gives a premium product feeling. And I like very much this silver grey color. The laptop is not super thin, meaning the CPU has a cooler fan inside, and that is a good thing. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 anti-glare nano edge LED display, with 178 degrees viewing angles. The display opening angle is wider than the usual 90 to 100 degrees. The web camera quality is the usual laptop web camera quality. Has no optical drive or optical drive bay. The laptop keyboard has English key layout and has numeric keypad. The power button is on the keyboard. In the left side we have the power jack, one USB Type-C port, heatsink, one HDMI port, one USB 3.1 port. In the right side we have the charging LED, the power on LED, the micro SDHC card reader, two USB 2.0 port and the Kensington lock hole for the anti-theft cable. On the bottom case we don't have any doors for RAM or HDD upgrade, so we have to remove the 10 screws if we need to service or decide to upgrade the laptop. The battery is a 2-cell 32 Wh non-removable battery. Here we have the cooler fan and 3 holes for the airflow. These 2 holes are for the speakers. And this is the sticker with some identification informations, like laptop model, serial number, etc. The laptop rubber legs heights are about 2 mm. I will share my personal experience after using a few hours this laptop with the plus and negative sides. Nice design, it is thin and lightweight. Because it's thin, the display might broken easily. Has a lower 15 watts DDP CPU with integrated VGA chip which can play 4K videos. It's not suitable for new games. 2-cell 32 Wh battery, offers about 5 hours 1080p YouTube video playback. Built-in battery, without upgrade possibility to a bigger battery. Has cooler fan. The CPU is overheating in gaming. 1 TB HDD, you have free space to storage. The 1 TB HDD is a little bit slow. The keyboard gives a good typing experience. The power button is on the keyboard. You have one USB Type-C, one USB 3.1, two USB 2.0 port. The USB Type-C port is to close to the power jack, the USB 3.1 port is black like the USB 2.0 port, has 2 USB 2.0 port. The 8GB RAM is enough for the daily tasks. So, for an entry-level laptop, this laptop is a good choice to work in MS Office, internet browsing, sending emails, learning, listen music, watch 4K videos. Because of his size and his weight you can take with you anywhere. If you want to use for gaming, first you can check the game official minimum requirements on https://www.gamedebate.com. Thanks for watching, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time, goodbye.